Okay, hello everyone. My name is Vivek. Today my topic is enhancing the performance by asynchronous dialogue. So before we go into what is asynchronous dialogue, I think we should know what is the collaborative dialogue problem is, and how we can solve this problem by asynchronous dialogue, and how can we improve the performance by asynchronous dialogue. So let's get into it. So the problem is when you are using, I mean, you all are might be using dialogues everywhere, constantly or unconsciously. Now, multiple users are accessing the same dialogue. That's where the problem is arise. Because when you are when your process is synchronous, then what happen is your user will eventually blocking that particular parts. So here the example is like user A. We aren't using variable names like A and B, but yeah, as of now we are using. But user A opens some dialogues. Now user B also open the same dialogue. User A did some operations, some stuff, and then they press the OK button. Now, at the second time, user B also does some works on top of the that, and they press the same button. Okay. Now, what's happening? Right. So, expected behavior is both the changes should be applied to the dialogues and whatever the property they change, but it's not applying. It's flickering and it's basically not applying second change. So, that's what the problem of collaborative dialogues. Now, yep, that would be solved by the asynchronous dialogue. So since asynchronous is the process is not blocking the particular users, so it allow user to work like multiple user to work on the same dialogues, and yeah, they also increase the performance of overall application. Now, what are the way to identify the asynchronous dialogue? Because in the code base, how you find that these dialogues are asynchronous or not. So the ideal way is to, open multiple screen or maybe multiple user trying to the same dialogues. And when they try, they will find that the second dialogue is not flickering or flickering, then you will easily find that the dialogue is async or not. But easiest way method is when you are trying to open any dialog in debug mode, you will see the pop-up like here. This dialog is non-async. Thanks to Michael. He did some changes on that. So yeah, thank you for that. And another way I figure out is from flame graph, because asynchronous dialogues is usually take a smaller time, and synchronous dialogues is taking like longer bit of time on flame graph. So how we can like now, let's say you find the dialogue. This is non-async dialogue. Now you want to convert it into asynchronous dialogue. So how you convert it? So first way is easiest way is you just copy the string, and you can find in that particular string variable that micro we define, and that will help you to reach out the code pointer that you are looking into. Now, how you convert non-async dialog to async dialog? So basically, for that, you have to first uh, build a message dialog pointer. For that, you must have in code base already if you have a dialog, and then you have to convert into unique pointer to share pointer, because the process is synchronous. We have to share the ownership. Unique pointer not allowed to share the, I mean, they share the ownership but not the same way that we are expecting. And what you need to do is, now previously we have a xquery book run method, and then we have to convert into run async method. Okay, so these are the points that we are taking care while we are converting. So first is, as I told you, unique pointer to shared pointer. That is first thing. The second thing is when we are called the run async method, we have like run async now method, but that sometimes it's a static method, sometimes it's a class method, private method, sorry, public method. So yeah, you have worth checking the type. Then we have so for some of case we have a start execute async method. So yeah, we have that, and the callback function will have a like these type return yes and return no. So Yeah, thanks for Thomas, Colin, Simon, and Pedro for all the help you are giving to identify and working with this. Thank you.